For Taizhou Machinery Company Limited is located in Taizhou City, Zhejiang Province, as a professional factory engaged in the design, development, manufacturing, marketing network and after-sales service of pneumatic tools. The transportation is convenient. It is nearly an hour's drive from Ningbo Port, and only 2.5 hours by high-speed rail to Shanghai. With many years' experiences, our company specializes in the production of pneumatic wrenches, pneumatic sander, spray gun, die grinder, ratchet wrenches, pneumatic screwdrivers and other products, and various types of accessories, by the use of world-class production technology. Excellent production equipment, testing equipment, manufacturing processes, and complete quality control processes. The series products are exported to more than 65 countries and regions such as Germany, Spain, Italy, Poland, Canada, USA, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Korea, Thailand across Europe, America, Asia, Mideast, and enjoys high reputation in domestic and foreign markets. The company's sophisticated products, excellent quality, fast, and perfect after-sales service have been well received by customers. The company strictly implements quality control in accordance with the 9001 quality management system, and all its products have passed CE certification. We give full play to our technology development, rely on years of experience in the manufacture of pneumatic tools, and constantly strive to improve production technology, improve manufacturing processes, and continuously improve product quality, and are providing each user with affordable, easy and durable tools.